Global demand for CCBA-certified analysts. In today's fast-paced business environment, staying ahead is crucial. Organizations are increasingly relying on skilled business analysts to navigate this landscape. The growing need for business analysts. Business analysis has become a cornerstone of modern business practices. As organizations adopt digital transformation and automation, skilled workers are in high demand. They must connect business goals with tech solutions. This need spans all industries. Sectors like finance, healthcare, IT, retail, and government seek skilled business analysts. They want experts to drive efficiency, improve processes, and deliver results. Factors driving the global demand for CCBA-certified analysts. Digital transformation and technological disruption. As businesses of all sizes go digital, the role of business analysts has expanded. Organizations need people who can assess processes, find inefficiencies, and suggest tech solutions. Data-driven decision-making. As organizations rely on data for decisions, the demand for skilled analysts has grown. They must interpret, analyze, and present data. Business analysts turn raw data into insights. This helps companies make informed decisions. CCBA-certified professionals are trained in data analysis techniques and tools. They are valuable in organizations that prioritize data-driven strategies. Agile and lean methodologies. The rise of agile and lean methods in project management has boosted the demand for skilled business analysts. These methods emphasize iterative development, continuous improvement, and collaboration with stakeholders. The value CCBA-certified analysts bring to organizations. Certified analysts can bridge the gap between business and IT. They can communicate with both business stakeholders and technical teams. This fosters collaboration and aligns everyone's goals. Problem-solving and critical thinking skills. CCBA-certified professionals are trained to think critically. They analyze problems from multiple angles and propose solutions. These solutions must meet both immediate and long-term business needs. Conclusion. In conclusion, there is a rising demand for CCBA-certified analysts. Businesses need their skills in today's complex, data-driven world.